everybody, and welcome to lesson 7-6. We're now going to look at other proportions in triangles. Notice this is not just right triangles, it's any triangle. And our first proportion is the side splitter theorem. And what the side splitter theorem says is that if we have a line that is parallel to one side of a triangle, so if that's parallel to that, and intersects the other two sides of the triangle, then it divides those two sides proportionally. So basically what it says is that here, QT, this side here, over TR, this side here, is proportional to SU over UR. So let's do a problem using that proportion. Now let's let QR equal 10, so QR is 10, and UR is 8, TR, where's TR? What did I just do? I completely labeled that in the wrong spot. QR goes from here to here, that is 10, TR is 6, perfect. And I want to find UT, US, and RS. UT we actually can't find. That is a typo. Now real quick, I'm going to fill in pieces of information that I can get and I need, but so right here I've got this whole length is 10, this little piece here is 6, which makes QT 4. That's going to help me set up my proportion. So right here I'm going to say that QT 4 over TR 6 has to be equal to, I look at the other side now, US, which I don't have, over RU, 8. Now if you look at this really carefully, what I've done is I've done the bottom piece over the bottom piece over the top piece, and the bottom piece over the top piece. So I've got this really nice proportion happening. I'm going to reduce this fraction over here before starting because I love having reduced fractions. And then I'm simply going to cross multiply. So I get 3 times US equals 2 times 8 is 16. Divide both sides by 3. I get US equals 16 over 3, which cannot reduce. So I am done. Or no, I'm not done. I found US. Check. Now I want to find RS. RS is this whole length here. So it has to be 8 plus 16 over 3. Well, I'm going to put 8 as a common denominator. 24 over 3 plus 16 over 3 gets me 40 over 3, which cannot reduce. So that is RS. We have a corollary to the side splitter theorem, and what it basically says is that if I have three parallel lines, so this line is parallel to this line is parallel to this line, then the segments intersected by those are proportional. So XW over WV would be equal to YZ over ZM. So let's do a practice problem. Here oh look, we're going to have something that's kind of funky. We've got X's. Here I've got XW is 5X and WV is 4X. Well, those have to be in proportion too. So I've done top over bottom. Do top 6x minus 10 over bottom 4x plus 8. And I'm going to go from there. I'm going to reduce these fractions before I get started to make my life easier. If you notice, those x's there can cancel, so I'm left with just 5 over 4. And on this side, I can take out a factor of 2 from everything. So I get 3x minus 5 over 2x plus 4. That's going to make things so much easier. Now we're going to cross multiply. So I end up with 5 times 2x plus 4 equals 4 times 3x minus 5. Distribute in 10x plus 20 equals 12x minus 20. Get everything on the same side. I'm going to get all my x's over here. Not everything. Get x's on one side, numbers on the other. 20 equals 2x minus 20. Add 20 over. 40 equals 2x. Therefore, x equals 20. That's my x value. Is that what the question asked for? Well, we didn't actually say, so I'm going to say yes. The question asked for x. There we go. Last but not least, we have the triangle angle bisector theorem. And this theorem says that if I have an angle bisector, so right here, BC is my angle bisector, then it's going to divide the sides opposite into two segments that are proportional to two sides of the triangle. What that basically is saying is that AC over CD will be in the same proportion as AB over BD. It's really nice. So let's look at an example. Right here, I have my AC is 10 over CD is 18, and that has to be equal to my AB of 12 over BD, which is x. So now I'm going to reduce this fraction here first, so I get 5 over 9 equals 12 over x. Cross multiply. I get 5x equals 108. Yes. Divide both sides by 5. So x equals 108 over 5, which cannot reduce, so that is my answer. And that's all for your notes. Come in if you have any questions. Take a look at the homework, and be sure to come to class with your knowledge check complete. Thank you very much, and have a great day.